Hello guys, welcome to another English activity. Today we are learning our first project, project number 1, proyecto uno, for first technical, first bachelor technical. If you can see here, I have opened the document proyecto on my Google Drive and I have found the English activity. Here we are. This document is gonna be there in your WhatsApp group. Let's start with our English activity. Section 1, English. Learning objective. Students will understand that health, culture, and entertainment are fundamental axes in the development of the life project and their dissemination dissemination is important through artistic and cultural manifestations. The topic is healthy food versus junk food. And let's talk about that. What is healthy food? Healthy food is everything that you can find in vegetables, in in animals, in animals such as fish, such as cows, such as um, chicken, or even milk. However, if you want to consider something like junk food, you can combine them by using other ingredients such as oil. Then we have um, then we have fried chicken, and that is considered junk food because oil and fat is very bad for our health. So if we want to keep a healthy life, so we have to eat healthy food and we have to do a lot of exercises in order to keep the balance of our weight, health, and energy. So we have here a reading in which we have to analyze every single paragraph in order to understand. Let's start. It's important for people to eat as much as they need to give them energy. Yeah, that is correct. If they eat too little food or the wrong food, they won't have enough energy. If you don't eat correctly, you don't have energy. If they eat too much, they will need to make more exercise, such as playing soccer, such as playing basketball. Otherwise, they will put on weight. Put on weight means to have a balance. If this is put on weight, to have a good balance of our of our um, of our body. So let's continue. Fat is very high in calories. What is fat? Fat is everything such as cakes, hamburgers, fried chicken, wings, hot dogs. This is fat food, and this is bad for our balance because it is high in calories. And so it is no help at all in keeping energy balance. Fat has also been linked with heart disease. It means if you try fat, you're gonna have overweight, then your heart is going to suffer in a heart attack or some kind of diseases related to our heart if you eat a lot of fat food. And many experts believe that eating less will help to reduce it. Sugar isn't good for the energy balance either. Sugar is considered everything like Coca-Cola, pizza. Even if you eat a lot of quantity of pizza, this is considered a lot of sugar. Donuts, they are considered sugar ingredients such as these ones. The only value of the diet is provide energy, and you can get that from other foods. There's no doubt that too much sugar makes you fat, and it doesn't do your teeth much good either. It means that your teeth are going to suffer something like this. Um, Suffering teeth from sugar. If you eat a lot of sugar, your teeth are going to suffer something like this because of the excess of sugar. Fiber. Fiber, on the other hand, what is fiber? Fiber is everything considered like fruits, vegetables, grains. They are fibers. Fibers, on the other hand, is something that we eat too little of. One of the simplest way of eating more fiber is to eat more bread, particularly wholemeal, granary, or high fiber bread. When we are talking about fiber bread, it is bread, the bread and grains coming from the oat. It is good, cheap source of fiber and nutrients without too many calories. Potatoes are good too, like bread. They are underrated, but they are excellent for filling you up without making you fat, especially if you don't cover them with butter or fry them in fat. So it means that fibers are okay to good to eat and keep a good balance. So, guys, it is important to consider fiber in your daily diet, in your daily routines. So it is important to eat a lot of fiber according to our reading. So eat less fatty food. It means this sweet chocolates, cakes, pudding, jams, etc. And eat more fiber fruits, bread, potatoes, pasta, fresh fruits and vegetables. So guys, it's important to eat a lot of fiber since now. Okay, I have four statements and you have to consider if the statement is true or false. People will need to make exercises if they eat too much. So you have to find information here. Find information and then you have to answer if it is okay or not. Eating less fat will cause heart attack. True or false? If you eat if you eat less fat food, you won't suffer a heart attack? True or false? So your answer is going to be here. Sugar provides energy, but it causes obesity. That's true or false? Sugar, the information of sugar is over here. Finally, when people eat too much, they put on weight. It means when you eat a lot, a big quantity of hamburger, that put you in your weight. I mean, it is okay to be in your balance. True or false? So your answer is here. The next exercise, you have to complete the sentences. To avoid the spread of the virus, it is necessary to use, it means the virus COVID, yes, COVID-19. If you don't want to spread, it means contagiar. So you have to use what? You have to wear a mask. What else? You know the mask is this. This is a mask to COVID. So you have to use a mask. What else? Shoes? Maybe a sweater? What else you have to use according to this statement? So complete information here. Finally, write how you take care of yourself at home to avoid the virus. How do you protect your family against COVID-19? So your answer is going to be here. I'm going to put a little example. For example, I protect myself by wearing, by using what? What do you use? What is your answer there? So guys, I hope you have understood this activity and good luck with this. You will have this information in your WhatsApp group. Thank you. Goodbye.